I laughed and they said, "Can't you be modest?" I cried and they said, "Why don't you smile?" I smiled and they said, "You're a show-off." I frowned and they said, "You started showing your true colors." I was silent and they said, "You have a feeble tongue." I spoke and they said, "You're too talkative." I was tolerant and they said, "You're a coward." And they said, had I been brave, I would have taken revenge. I was courageous and they said, "You are rash and reckless and should have been balanced." I said no and they said, "You are odd." I agreed with them and they said, "You're a blind follower." So it became certain that no matter how hard I try, pleasing people will bring nothing but criticism. So don't worry about people. Only try to please Allah.